Say goodbye to dandruff forever. Proven tips and tricks for a flake-free scalp. Dive into the secret to gorgeous hair with apple cider vinegar and discover how this kitchen superstar can transform your hair. Today we're diving into 3 remarkable benefits of incorporating apple cider vinegar into your hair care routine and a DIY method to enhance your hair's health and shine. First up, let's talk about dandruff. Those pesky white flakes that seem to have a knack for reappearing, no matter how many shampoos and treatments you try. The acidity of apple cider vinegar can help balance your scalp's pH level, tackling the root cause of dandruff. But that's not all. Apple cider vinegar also champions hair growth. Its natural properties can strengthen your hair follicles, making them less prone to breakage and promoting faster growth. Enough talk, time for action. Here's a quick and easy DIY apple cider vinegar rinse for you to try at home. Grab a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and mix it with 3 tablespoons of water. Stir it until it's well combined. Now, wash your hair, like you usually do. Once that's done, apply the apple cider vinegar mixture to your hair. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it out with lukewarm water. And there you have it. The result? A shinier, healthier head of hair that's less prone to breakage and free of dandruff. And the best part? You've achieved this using a natural, affordable, and readily available product. So why not give apple cider vinegar a try? It might just be the missing ingredient in your hair care routine. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more health and beauty secrets, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep shining.